Question 1. Sun is to shine as rain is to. Is it A. Fall, B. Rise, C. Pour, D. Drizzle? The correct answer is C. Pour. Question 2. Paper is to write as canvas is to. Is it A. Paint, B. Cut, C. Draw, D. Fold? The correct answer is A. Paint. Question 3. Fruit is to tree as vegetable is to. Is it A. Plant, B. Vine, C. Bush, D. Garden? The correct answer is A. Plant. Question 4. Earth is to planet as sun is to. Is it A. Star, B. Moon, C. Satellite, D. Comet? The correct answer is A. Star. Question 5. Dog is to puppy as cat is to. Is it A. Kitten, B. Cub, C. Foal, D. Lamb? The correct answer is A. Kitten. Question 6. Cold is to ice as hot is to. Is it A. Steam, B. Fire, C. Lava, D. Smoke? The correct answer is B. Fire. Question 7. Moon is to night as sun is to. Is it A. Day, B. Light, C. Shine, D. Summer? The correct answer is A. Day. Question 8. Writer is to pen as painter is to. Is it A. Brush, B. Canvas, C. Easel, D. Paint? The correct answer is A. Brush. Question 9. Music is to notes as words are to. Is it A. Letters, B. Sentence, C. Paragraph, D. Punctuation? The correct answer is A. Letters. Question 10. Tree is to trunk as house is to. Is it A. Roof, B. Wall, C. Door, D. Floor? The correct answer is B. Wall.